This graduation party was the most stylish and fashionable event I worked on this year. You won't want to miss the Chanel party. My friend Cherie gifted me this silver sparkly peel and stick wallpaper that she had left over from a project. She said, "I know you will put this to good use," and she was right. Shout out to Cherie if you're watching, and thanks again. I'm reusing this empty vacuum cleaner box that I had previously covered from another event right before this one. If you remember which event this was used in, leave a comment below. I needed to make some display columns, so this box went from this to this. The goal was to have some of the columns look like Chanel perfume boxes. Our graduate's name is Bella, so I made her the limited edition of 2024, her graduation year. I can't wait to show you how we use these fancy display columns in the Chanel boutique. Just about any kind of empty, sturdy cardboard box can be transformed into something beautiful for the boutique. Yes, even fruit cup snack boxes. For the boutique backdrop, I took some black foam board and made a contrasting border with white tape, making sure that it was evenly spaced all the way around. Since I use so many of these foam boards, I bought the whole case of 20 from Dollar Tree. And after I used all of the foam board, I then turned the box that they came in into a bottle of Chanel perfume as well. This time, I cut out the center of the box so that I could fill it with plexiglass and twinkle lights. Be sure to stay all the way to the end so you can see how it turned out. In order to get professional looking letters for my displays, I used an assortment of pre-cut alphabet stickers from Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. And when I needed some extra large letters, my Cricut machine cut them out on sticker paper. I used whatever I could get my hands on, along with whatever I already had on hand. I think I'll use these supplies to make a giant bottle of nail polish. Now this next project I'm calling a prototype because it was an experiment just to see if I could do it. And I got permission from my client to have free reign of creativity just to try it out. So now that I know that I can do it, I will make this again next time with stronger materials like plywood and plexiglass. But I have to say, even though it was a prototype, it turned out to be a hit at the event. I was pleasantly surprised to see how many people enjoyed posing for photos in the Vogue box. Keeping in mind that I had to transport this in the back of a Jeep, I had to get the right measurements and construct it in pieces so that I could carry it flat and assemble it on site. Then I really had to be careful not to puncture or wrinkle the plastic cellophane. So I stretched it as tight as I could to make it look like glass. But for the next one for sure, I will definitely use hard plastic or plexiglass. The frame is made of foam board from Dollar Tree, covered in shiny black peel and stick paper from Amazon. I think the whole piece together is about 7 or 8 feet tall, so the bottom piece would have to be connected on site. The words for the Vogue box are printed on white sticker paper, but don't worry, once I apply it to the plastic, the white backing is going to be removed. The design is made to look like you're on the cover of Vogue magazine, so you can write whatever you want on here. Just have fun. So here we are at the venue. I was also invited to be a guest at this party, so I had to arrive really early in the morning to get everything all set up, then go home to shower and change and come back that evening for the event. For now, I'll just play some music so that you can watch it all come together. Our Chanel boutique is ready to be shopped. While I provided the store displays, someone else provided the gifts or party favors. Guests were invited to choose one favor to take home to remember this unforgettable special occasion. And wait until you see these favors. Oh, they were super cute. Stick around to the end of the video and I'll make sure that I really give you a detailed look. Now, even though I'll show you everything associated with the event, all of what you see is not my work. I only worked on the Chanel boutique and the Vogue photo box. But everyone worked together to make everything beautiful. Take a look at these tablescapes. This amazing dessert station was provided by Marcia Sweet Cakes. And taking center stage is her 3-layered Chanel cake. Simply stunning. Now about those party favors. I promised you I would give you a closer look, so here they are. If you were at this event and you missed seeing these, you missed out because they were fantastic. But at least here in this video, you get to see all of the work and intricate details that were put into these. Does this video make you want to host a Chanel party? If so, leave your comment below. That means we've done our job to inspire you and ignite your creativity. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And visit my channel again for party decoration inspiration and ideas. Congratulations, Isabella, and thank you for inviting me to be part of your milestone celebration. I'm Steph Storm, and you'll see me next time.